everyone, in this video you are going to learn about how to create Apple developer certificates, provisioning profiles, app IDs, etc. In my initial stages of learning I'm totally confused about what are all this stuff. So if you are also in the same confusion, here is a video for you guys. So to create an Apple developer certificate, you have to request a certificate from your Mac first. So you need to open your keychain access from the Spotlight search. So next, go to certificate assistant, request a certificate from certificate authority, and here you need to enter your email address. You need to enter your name. This is an optional field, no need to enter anything in this field. Now click on save to disk, continue. So this certificate signing request will be saved on your desktop. You can see it in your desktop like this. Now you are done with creating certificate signing requests. Now go to www.developer.apple.com. Log into your developer account. Here you will find two things once you log in. One is certificates, identifiers and profiles tab, and the other one is App Store Connect. We will learn about App Store Connect in our next video. Now click on certificates, identifiers and profiles tab. So I've already created a certificate over here. For you, I'll show you how to create it again. Click plus. So as we are creating the certificate for Apple distribution for the distribution of the app to the App Store, I am selecting iOS distribution. Next, continue. The file which you have saved on to your desktop is now to be selected here. Click choose file. It's on the desktop. Click on the certificate, choose. Next, continue. Now you have to download the certificate and add to your keychain. Tap on it and click on add. Now it gets added to your keychain. Now the next thing you have to do is to create an app ID. Click plus. So we have to create the app ID. Select the app IDs. Continue. And description, you have to give some description for your app ID. I'm giving it as demo app ID. And here you have two types of bundle IDs. One is explicit and one is a wildcard. So when do you use explicit and when do you use wildcard? Explicit bundle ID can be used for only one application, whereas the wildcard bundle ID can be used for one or more applications. So you can replace the star to any of your application name in the wildcard. So if you give this like demo.star, you can replace this star with any of your app names. For example, com.demo.app1, com.demo.app2, anything. Next, click on continue. Register this app ID. So your app ID is created here. Now next you have to go and create your provisioning profile. Plus, so as we are creating the provisioning profile for distributing your app to the App Store, you need to select App Store under the distribution section. Continue. Next, you need to select the app ID that you have created in the previous step. So this is the one I have created in the previous step. Continue. And this one we need to select the one which we have created in your first step. Now you need to enter your provisioning profile name. I'm writing it as demo app profile. Next, click on generate. So it is saying that there is a problem with the request entity. Oh, I've already created a provisioning profile name with this. Now click on generate. Now you can download this provisioning profile too. So if you have any further questions, post it in the comment section. I'll make the videos as per your further doubts. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.